Hi everybody, Armine Bazikyan here from Bazikyan Law Group. This month I wanted to talk to you about the process of funding a trust. So in previous videos we've always discussed topics such as estate planning, what's a trust, what's probate. In this video I want to talk about what happens after you've actually created your estate plan, after you've created a trust. So the estate planning process is a two-step process. The first step is actually creating your plan, creating that trust, right? The second step is funding that trust. So I'm going to use the example of a basket, which is what I use for my clients, to help all of you out there actually visualize what it looks like. So during step one, we create this basket. You tell me what you want done after your death. You tell me what you want done if you're incapacitated, what your plans are, what your goals are for your child, for your family members, and you tell me what type of assets you have. And based on all of this information, I custom build a basket for you. It could be whatever shape you want, size, texture, whatever it is, right? So we create that first step is creating this basket, and I give it to you and you hold on to it, right? And then we start the second phase, which is, well, let's start filling it up with things that are valuable to you. So that funding the trust process is that second phase of the estate planning process, where we take everything that is titled in your name and we transfer it into this basket that we've created. Now, not everything goes into the trust. It'll depend on the type of estate plan that we've put in place. So there might be some assets in your life where I'll say, you know what, no, that we cannot put into the trust. We need to do X, Y, and Z for. So it's not all of your assets that go in, but for the most part, it's a majority of the assets that go into the trust. So once you have created the trust, this basket that we've put in place, I want to make sure that you're funding your trust, which is oftentimes what does not get done. So we end up with an empty basket when somebody passes away, which is the worst thing that can happen. So that second step is very vital. As we know, creation of a trust is done oftentimes with the objective of actually avoiding the probate court system. So what we do is we take things that are in your name and we push it out of your name and into this trust. So what happens at your death, there's nothing in your name to actually go through the probate process. So if that funding phase is not done, if we don't push things out of your name and into this basket, there will be a probate to go through, and we don't want that at all, because as we've learned in previous videos, probate's very expensive, time-consuming, and it's a matter of public record, so we don't want that at all. So if you have a trust in place and you just don't know if you funded it or not, you have no idea, or you don't have a trust in place but want to put something together for your loved ones, feel free to contact my office. We provide free consultations, so I'd be happy to sit down with you and help you create that custom-built basket that's specific to you and your needs and your goals. Have a great day. Bye-bye.